Let's read about some amazing world records. Scientists have discovered the world's oldest tree. It's more than 9,500 years old. In India, a man has built a giant bicycle that is almost 3 meters tall. A dog in the US has learned to skateboard, and a cat has appeared in more than 50 movies. Engineers have invented a robot that cooks simple meals. Another team has created a drone that delivers medicine. What amazing things have you seen or learned recently? True or false, the oldest tree is younger than 1,000 years. You unlocked the reading.